A lot of people wanted to see more of this truck. I think it's a 72 Chevy. It really does have a 350 in it. It's owned by Scott Thompson of McNay Street in London, Ontario. Biggest asshole in the world. He's smashed more stuff out here than anybody, and he does it all on purpose. He just smashes my stuff, nobody else. He's an out-of-control alcoholic. He traded this truck for a 350 Chev race motor. Thought he was getting a good deal. Well, there it is. Couple ram horns held on with 2 bolts. No carburetor. As you saw, there was spare rads in the back because there's no rad. I'm sure the battery's fucked by now. Obviously there was a mouse nest under there. Got an Edelbrock aluminum intake, some pretty valve covers, and it's pretty much stock. As you know, 77 Camaros with a 4-barrel carburetor only had about 175 horsepower, so she ain't shit, but probably no more than it had back in 72. No power brakes, no power steering. Well, this is good for the old timers. You can appreciate that kind of bullshit. You even get some factory original hubcaps. I think on all 4s. So if you want Scott's piece of shit, get in contact with me and I'll tell him it's going to disappear unless he comes and gets it. It was only supposed to be here a month, and it's been here for 15 months now. Fuck you, Scott Thompson. So how you doing, Wolf? You got ticks or fleas or something? Well, what are you doing? Well, here's what this old Chev truck looks like inside. Not that great. It says 76,984 on the speedometer, but who knows. Got a couple extra gauges. Got a clutch pedal with an automatic transmission shifter. Spare Rochester carburetor, 4-barrel. But I know he has a brand new Holly that costs $550. He kept it home so nobody would steal it. That probably can come with the truck if he wants to sell it or part with it. A few spare parts. Couple little rocker panels from underneath the doors in case you need them. Some stickers on the roof. Piss on Ford, haha. Cruise night. Key in the dash. No lock steering. Sliding rear window. Old-fashioned gas cap. Yep. Here's a bit of rust down here. Frame's real good. Yeah, and Scott's even prepared to give you some head if you need it. He's good at that.